$signs and dead grass. The high cost of DIY. Understanding the problem. We need to calculate the total cost of mowing a yard for 10 years, considering 1. Mowing time per session, 3 hours. 2. Mowing frequency, every 5 days. 3. Mowing season, April 1st to October 31st. Maintenance cost, 100 year. 5. Gas cost, 75 year. 6. Oil cost, 20 year. 7. Lawnmower maintenance time, 3 hours year. Calculations. Step 1. Calculate total mowing hours per year. 1. Number of days in mowing season, October 31st, April 1st, 8th to 13 days. 2. Number of mowing sessions per year, 2 13 days, 5 days session, 8 42.6 sessions, 43 sessions. 3. Total mowing hours per year, 43 sessions. 3 hours session, 8 129 hours. Step 2. Calculate total mowing hours for 10 years. 1. Total mowing hours for 10 years, 129 hours in year. 10 years, 8 1290 hours. Step 3. Calculate total costs. 1. Maintenance cost for 10 years, 100 year, 10 years, each $1,000. 2. Gas cost for 10 years, 75 year, 10 years, $750. 3. Oil cost for 10 years, 20 year, 10 years, $200. Step 4. Factor in the value of your time for mower maintenance. 1. We'll assume a reasonable hourly rate for your time. 1. Let's say 20 hour. 2. Value of mower maintenance time, 3 hours year. 20 hour. 10 years, $600. Step 5. Calculate the total cost. 1. Total cost. Mowing time cost. Hypothetical if you valued your time. 1290 hours. 20 hour $25,800. Maintenance cost, $1,000. Gas cost, $750. Oil cost, $200. Mower maintenance time value, $600. Total cost, including time value, $25,800. $1,000, $750 plus $200, $600 sees $28,350. Note, the cost of mowing time is hypothetical. If you don't value your time for this calculation, the total cost would be $27,350. Therefore, the total cost of mowing your yard for 10 years, including maintenance, gas, oil, and the hypothetical value of your time for mower maintenance, is $28,350. If you don't value your time, the total cost is $27,350. Now assume you are a physician or dentist. The math will blow your mind. Recalculating with doctor's hourly rate. We'll use the same calculations as before, but replace the hypothetical hourly rate of $20 with the doctor's hourly rate of $225. Step 1. Calculate total mowing hours for 10 years, same as before. 1. Total mowing hours for 10 years, 8 to 1290 hours. Step 2. Calculate the cost of mowing time. 1. Mowing time cost 8 to 1290 hours. 225 hour ease, $292.50. Step 3. Calculate total costs, same as before except for mowing time cost. 1. Maintenance cost for 10 years, $1,000. 2. Gas cost for 10 years, $750. 3. Oil cost for 10 years, $200. 4. Mower maintenance time value, assuming the same 20-hour rate, $600. Step 4. Calculate the total cost. 1. Total cost, exceed $292.50 plus $1,000 or $750, $200, $600 see $292, $800. Therefore, the total cost of mowing the yard for 10 years, assuming a doctor is mowing at an hourly rate of $225, is $292, $800. Listen up. Just because you can do something doesn't mean you should. Are you kidding me? Your time is gold, pure and simple. Every minute you spend mowing your own lawn is a minute stolen from your dreams, your relationships, or your personal growth. Don't be a slave to the mundane. Unleash your potential, delegate the dull, and focus on what truly matters. Are you ready to level up your life? Click the link in the bio and grab the free resources to accelerate results.